apparently the on-call guy had an adventure this weekend. He said he couldn't get the compressor to start. As you can see, the hard start there. So I pulled the yellow wire off the capacitor, the Herm. I wanted to show you all the mega ohmer if you've never seen one before. Pulled the yellow wire off the capacitor, off the Herm, connected it to the red, and then I put the black on the chassis of the unit, and just one button. Compressor is bad. It's showing. Dang, that's the start winding too. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to order a compressor. Yeah, I just wanted to show you all the mega ohmer. I'll leave a link to where you can get one in the description below on this video. You can have one ordered and sent to your house. You can do the fan motors too, the condensing fan motor or air handler fan motor. It's a pretty sweet tool. Just one button, bam, tells you if it's good, caution, or bad. And now I'm going to do some other stuff just to make sure before I condemn it. Got my meter out, got it set to continuity, the beep. You can hear it beeping. I got one on my yellow, the Herm, the yellow wire. Touch the pipe. It's beeping, so I guess we shorted the ground, skid bro. I'm gonna pop the top, look at the plug, and the plug looks good. I'm gonna ohm out the common, start and run, but I'm gonna do it on these pins right here. It's hard to see, won't be able to capture it on camera. Those pins right there, I'm gonna set my meter to ohms and see how they add up. Yeah, I got one lead on the copper pipe, one lead on the start peg, and as you can hear, it's beeping. So yeah, we shorted the ground, and it was beeping on all of them, common, run, didn't matter which one I did. And I did the ohm out. They're not adding up, the numbers aren't adding up, so it's a dead compressor. I hope I can get one around this holiday season. I'm about to start Christmas break, so I don't know if I'll be able to get any shots of a compressor change out. Well, anyway, I wanted to show off one of my favorite tools in the bag, the old Mega 500. It's a sweet tool, one button. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below on this video. You can have you one delivered to your house. Alright, we got a bad compressor. Thank y'all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.